Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for another day. Yes, if you're my old subscriber and my new subscriber, I just want to say a very big welcome. Thank you very much for your support. So today's video is going to be me, obviously it's written down there, me mixing this me mixing this body cream. This is the body cream I use officially. Yes, it is the body cream I use officially. This is it. And if you know Avon, it's what I use. It's not anything no bleaching cream in it, no anything bad, no chemical whatsoever. And I have decided to mix it with something, obviously, because I need some glow right here. Girl, look at me. I need some more glow. This is what I get, some more glow, you know. So I'm going to be mixing it, show you how to mix it. This is glycerin, and this is vegetable glycerin, 99.8 pure glycerin over there. Let me see, make it visible. Right, glycerin, and I bought this from eBay, and it's like, I think it's about 7 to 8 pounds that I got it for. And this is how many mils is this? This is 250 ml right there at the bottom. And yes, I've tried it and it's really good. I made my black African black shampoo, black soap, into shampoo with this, and I made it with vitamin E oil as well. This is vitamin E oil, which we're going to use today to mix this cream. I'm trying to make it zoom. Right, there you go. So this is it. I'm going to use it today and mix my cream so that I'm getting extra. Glycerin is not a bad product. It's not something that will bleach you. It does not bleach you, rather it makes your skin soft, and for it's like for extra moisture, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm just going to read a little bit about our vegetable glycerin. Is a pure and natural allergen free product derived from a rapeseed. It is a biodegradable product that creates minimal environmental impact. Our glycerin is 100% palm free. Palm dried glycerin is linked to the deforestation I cannot pronounce that word. Deforestation in the Far East and South Africa, where rainforests are being destroyed to make a way for the palm tree plantation. Right, so clear, colorless and odorless glycoscopic viscous liquid. English is hard. Okay guys. Right, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to show you a little bit about what the consistency is like. This is it. It's like a bit gooey and oily at the same time. It's like, this is what it looks like not too thick, not too light, and it looks like oil when you rub it together like that. It's very good, because I've used it before in the past, and it like is amazing. So it's something that you can add to your cream for extra moisture and extra, you know, extra glow, you know what I mean. So vitamin C oil, we know very well how vitamin E oil, pardon me, we obviously know vitamin E oil, how it makes your skin look so beautiful, flawless, no impurities, no dry dark skin, or say you have pimple and they are drying off and they are left there. No, not with this and this. They remove everything, make sure that your face is smooth, your body is smooth, and everywhere is glowing. Look at that, you know what I mean. So if you want that glow, girl, keep watching this video. And let me tell you something, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, I'm just wondering what you're waiting for. Now subscribe. before I start this video, click the bell down there and put the notification bell on, so that whenever I post, you'll be able to see my video. Guys, go on, and we'll go ahead and do this. So I'm going to open this cream. This cream is made with, obviously, rose. Ooh, it smells like everything. It's like radiant with rose water and shea butter. That's what it's made of. But it's white, but it's made with rose water. It looks so, I like, look at my skin, guys, look at it. I know I have this particular my skin is somehow, like, whenever anything cuts me, it gets dark. Like, for example, this right there, that was just in my bathroom when I was bathing. This something just scratched me there, and that was it. I had that thing there. That's how my skin is. So if I bend my elbow, it looks dark, but it's not actually dark. It's the same color as, so is this one. So this is how my elbow is not dark. Even my knuckle, when you're looking at it, you think, oh, it's so dark, she has a dark knuckle. I don't have a dark knuckle, but when I do this, you feel like it's dark. So don't get deceived by my body, okay? So whatever that is working for me may or may not work for you. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this oil right here, and I will just open it so that I'll be able to drop properly. So apparently vitamin E oil doesn't have any smell whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop just few drops into the cream, and I'll go ahead and find something, and then just a few drops. That's it, just a little bit there, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead, the glycerin, I'm gonna drop few pumps into it, and I can tell when it's enough because it's a lot of this thing here. Right, so that's enough for the cream. So you can only put the quantity you will put, because if you have like a full cup here, obviously you should put like 2 tablespoonful of glycerin and 1 tablespoonful of vitamin E, which is exactly what I've just done. Even the vitamin C, I didn't even complete like the full tablespoonful because I used like a teaspoon. I do not want it to be too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it together and show you how it's done, like properly and carefully. So I'm going to be using one of my clean brushes. I'm gonna be using this right here to turn it around, and make sure you're using something clean and dried, so that you're not putting any germs or bacteria in the cream that you're using. So I'm just gonna go ahead and then turn it until everything is mixed together completely. Just like this. Be careful when mixing it so that you're not making a mess or something. Just gradually mix it, and make sure you get to the bottom as well, so that everything will mix in completely. You can see I'm not making any mess. I'm being careful here. And that's it, everything is mixed together. This is what the cream looks like. You can see it's a little bit golden color into it, which is that vitamin E oil. And yes, we'll have like a complete a complete oil right there. for your skin. It smells so good. Right, so guys, I'm just gonna clean this off and make sure it's clean and tidied. And my cream is ready. This is how moisturizing it can be when you rub it together. I love it so much. And yes, for you people that do not use bleaching cream and you feel like bleaching cream is not for you, this is a toilet cream, or whatever I will call it. Is like, it's not a bleaching cream. It has rose water and shea butter. It's just a very good moisturizer for your skin. So adding the glycerin and the vitamin E is just to jazz it up for extra what do you call it, extra glow, just to have extra glow and maintain your color while using it. Because you know there are some cream that you use and they will make your skin very dark, and you don't want that to happen. I've been using this cream for a very long time, for about like say 7 to 8 years now, and I really love it so much. You know, at a point I stopped. I was looking for something else because of the scars I had of my face. What you people know that I've been working for. I'm working to just get rid of that, but I've gotten, like, I'm back to my cream now, and I feel comfortable about it. So guys, that's it for this video. Look at how moisturized this thing can be. Very comfortable, very beautiful. I love it. Look at my knuckles and my nails. You can use it for hand cream as well, and it looks so good. And yeah, so I hope this video makes sense, guys. I will see you in my next other video. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Bye.